Hey, it's BtheRiderPa out of my lovely 2021 Road Glide Limited. Yep, it's fall. The leaves are gone. It's getting colder. As you can tell, everybody's dressed in leathers and got helmets and, you know, all the stuff that makes you warm when you get on the road. So, one guy asked me the other day, he said, hey, you want to go riding Sunday? I said, sure. So, here we are. Sort of riding down to Cooper's Rock, which I was at earlier. I wanted to get back when the fall leaves were really bright, but I didn't get down there. So now the leaves are gone. But hey, it's a great day for a ride. We're gonna get in the upper 50s. Some of the leaves are still pretty, so it's still fall. As you can see up there, the second bike, that's Road Glide Andy out on his bike, and I'm sure I've seen him make a couple of videos as we've been riding because his hands were moving. So you know how it works when you talk and your hand moves. We're on this secondary road on our way back down there, on our way to Cooper's Rock, I mean. So, but hey, I thought I'd drop in and say hi. Don't forget about PAM 2024. Get more and more people joining on Facebook. If you're a fan of some of them YouTubers in the area and so forth, like to come, it's open for fans and riders and YouTubers. Check out the link on Facebook and sign in, so you can stay informed of what's going up. There have been a lot of locations already posted to go to for next year. I'm an early bird, sorry. I start this stuff really early because I got so many things in the burning. This is a beautiful little road, though. A nice little creek running right beside it. So some S-turns. It said 4 miles, curvy roads. This is a beautiful little road. Like the little stream running beside it. It's the kind of roads you love to get on and ride. Cruise. Oh, besides that, I have the wife on the back. See, her hand's bothering her, shoulder still isn't up to strength, so she didn't ride her bike. But that's all right. She likes to go ride with me on occasions. So, but hey, that was a quick stop. Thought I'd say hi. Drop a quick video. Fall folding season, riding season's here. You got about another, shoot, it's the beginning of November. So it's first weekend of November, so you got like 2 weeks maybe till Thanksgiving. Then we get around December, you never know. Weather lately has been pretty nice, so I'm pretty sure you can still be able to get some riding in. It's just the weekends are more advantageous because, one, it gets daylight at 7, but it gets dark at 5. So just kind of plan accordingly. And of course, heated gear helps out a lot. So, alrighty, hey, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button because God knows we need some subscribers. Ooh, this would be interesting. Alright, which way is everybody going here? Like these 90-degree hills and people suddenly decide to do different things. Alright, I'm working hard. Anyways, hey, like I was saying, hit that like and subscribe button. And come back and see us. Take it late. Keep the rubber side down. Enjoy the ride. I'm out.